Hello students, this is Miss Collins and this is Yogi, my dog, and we are going to read a book today called The Barn Owls. This is written by Tony Johnston and illustrated by Deborah Cogan Ray. The Barn Owls. And you can look at the setting, and it's actually on a farm, and there's the barn. The barn has stood in the wheat field 100 years at least. Owls have slept there all day long and dozed in the scent of wheat. Sometimes by day an owl awakes to a shadow or nothing at all, and leaves the barn through a bale of light, and glides to the top of an oak that calls. Sometimes nothing answers, sometimes something does. Sometimes by day an owl goes floating away, away to where wheat and sky are one. Then it floats back to the barn. By night, one by one, stars come out and blink. One by one, owls wake up and blink. And hunt for mice while moons swell and shrink. Owls have hunted in this place. Mice have hidden in this wheat 100 years at least. Where owls hunted, spiders spun to hold the barn to earth. Where owls hunted, long snakes sunned and split their skins like chaff and left. And bees hummed their hymn of wheat. Eggs have hatched in the loft of the barn, one by one, white and warm. Old owls watching, new owls born in the redwood barn, in the whisper of wheat. To grow up and sleep and wake and blink. And hunt for mice as they always have 100 years at least. That's the end.